Okay, so now let us solve this example. So it says that find the identical equation and identical equation, root of identical equation for this ordinary differential equation. So by converting this into the standard form, we can divide both sides by x cube. So we can write down this equation as y double dash plus cos 2x minus 1 upon x cube, y dash plus 2x upon x cube, y equal to 0. Comparing with y double dash plus p of x, y dash plus q of x, y equal to 0. We can have p of x is equal to cos 2x minus 1 upon x cube. Q of x will be 2x upon x cube, which is 2 upon x square. We observe that this cos 2x minus 1 upon x cube and this function q of x, that is 2 upon x square, are not analytic. So we note that p of x and q of x are not analytic. At x is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 0 is singular point. To calculate the regular singular point, you have to check what is x into p of x. You observe that x into p of x will be x into cos 2x minus 1 upon x cube. So it is 1 upon x square into cos 2x minus 1. I have to check whether this function is analytic or not. So what do you mean by analytic? That means it is converted into power series. So let us write down what will be the power series of that. So it is 1 minus 2x square by 2 factorial plus 2x raised to 4 by 4 factorial up to so on minus 1. So 1 will get cancelled. So we can multiply 1 upon x square inside. So finally we will have it is minus 2 because 2 will also get cancelled. 2 also get cancelled, but it is 4. So it is 4 upon 2 factorial, so it is minus 2 plus this will give you 2 4s are, so it is 16 upon 24 x power square and minus so on. So these are the terms we'll have. So this is x into p of x and this converted into the power series. So we can say that x into px is the analytic function and x square into q of x is actually 2, which is also an analytic function. So we can say that x into px and x square into qx are analytic at x is equal to 0. So therefore, x is equal to 0 is a regular singular point. Since it is a regular singular point, and you should observe what will be the identical equation. The identical equation can be written, you just see that it is m into m minus 1 plus m into p0 plus q0 equal to 0. See, if you observe our previous theory portion that we have discussed here, the identical equation is this: m into m minus 1 plus m p0 plus q0. What is the P0? P0 is the proof, or if you convert this x into P of x as a power series summation of Pn x raised to n, whatever the constant term is there, which is P0. And x square into Q of x, if you convert into the power series, whenever the constant term in that series will be Q0. So here, in this case, the identical equation will be this. So the identical equation is this. Where what is the P0 value? P0 is the constant value into the series solution of x into P of x. So into x into P of x, the series is this. So it is -2 will be the P0. And what will be the Q0? Q0 is 2, which is a constant term. So Q0 is 2. So therefore, we'll have m square minus m minus 2m plus 2 equal to 0. So that's why it is m square minus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. If you can solve this one, it will give you m equal to 1 and 2. They are the two roots. That was the example we have here. The example was to calculate the identical equation as well as a root of identical equation. Let me use you one more example, and I want that you guys can solve that one. The question is the same. Find out the identical equation as well as the root of identical equation of this 4x square y double dash plus 2 into x power 4 minus 5x y dash plus 3x square plus 2y equal to 0. So find identical equation and their roots. So now I am not writing all the things in detail. We'll just complete in short. This equation can be written in this form by dividing both sides by 4x square. So P of x, you will have it is 2x square minus 5 by 4x, and Q of x will be 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 x square. So x into P of x, you will have 2 x cube minus 5 by 4, and x square Q of x will be 3 by 4 x square plus 1 by 2. So what we can observe is this P of x and Q of x are not analytic at x is equal to 0. So we can say that x is equal to 0 is ordinary point. That you should write when you are writing in exam paper. So you should write that P of x and Q of x are not analytic at the point x is equal to 0, and therefore x is equal to 0 is the ordinary point. And x into P of x and x square into Q of x are analytic at the point x is equal to 0. So therefore, not x is equal to 0 is not an ordinary. Sorry, it has to be singular, not an ordinary. What I am writing, singular point. So x is equal to x into P of x and x square into Q of x are analytic at the point x is equal to 0. So that's why they are the regular singular point. Okay. And now we can able to write down what is the identical equation. So identical equation can be written into form of m into m minus 1 plus m into P0 plus Q0 equal to 0. So that is m into m minus 1 plus m. What is P0? And you have understood that P0 is the constant term into the series of x into P of x. The constant term is this, minus 5 by 4. So it is minus 5 by 4 plus Q0 is the constant term is x into the x in the series of x square Q of x, which is this, which is 1 by 2 equal to 0. And if you simplify this, If you simplify this, then what we will get, it is 4 into m minus 1 minus 5m plus 2 equal to 0. So that's why it is 4m square minus 4m minus 5m plus 2 equal to 0. So it will be 4m square minus 9m plus 2 equal to 0. So the roots will be, you can observe, 8, 4 to the 8, 8 plus 1. So it is m minus 2 and m minus 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Or I can say, so I can say that m equal to 2 and 1 by 4. They are the two roots of this equation. You can check by solving this equation. Okay. So I think so we can